Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital payments and how to handle them like a pro. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to dispute a transaction on Apple Pay with the new features rolling out in 2025. If you've ever had a charge that didn't sit right, maybe it was unauthorized, an error, or just plain wrong, this guide is for you. Apple Pay has made some awesome updates to make disputing easier and faster, so let's get right into it. First off, why dispute a transaction? Well, in 2025, with enhanced security protocols, Apple Pay now allows quicker resolutions for issues like fraudulent activity or billing mistakes. To start, make sure you're on the latest version of iOS. It's crucial for these new tools. Open your Apple Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll see a list of your recent transactions. Tap on the one you want to dispute. Once you're on the transaction details page, look for the new Dispute button. It's right there, front and center, thanks to the 2025 updates. Tap it, and you'll be prompted to select the reason for your dispute. Options might include unauthorized purchase, item not as described, or duplicate charge. Be detailed here. The more info you provide, like screenshots or receipts, the better your chances. After submitting, Apple will review your case within 24 to 48 hours. That's a big improvement from previous years. You'll get updates via email or notifications in the app. If needed, you might have to chat with support, but the process is streamlined now with AI-assisted verification. Remember, timing is key. Dispute within 60 days for the best results. And always keep records of your interactions. That's it for the steps. By following this, you'll handle disputes like a boss and keep your finances secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.